Namaskar, my name is Trishna and I'm from class 9. First of all, I'd like to thank our school for providing us such a great opportunity to learn about many things. I'd also like to thank CSIR-IMMT for providing their space for our internship, which is really helpful to me. I have learned about many things about electrons, atoms. I'm currently learning about electronic configuration. I'm also learning what the atoms and electrons are constituted of, and it is very fun and it will help me in the long run. Thank you.
What they are doing, sir, here?
Yes, Subhranshu Mahanti joined with me for the internship, student internship. Basically, they're school children. So when I interacted, I found that he's keen for machine learning type of work. That is why we have now given access to Python-based programming. I have given an object detection program. Later on, will try to integrate with the hardware and do some models so that he can demonstrate in some model exhibitions.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
I am Ekansh Mohanty and I am in CSIR-IMMT. Over here we are learning about powder metallurgy, how to make alloys of metals out of powder. Till now we have done the mixing of powders and how to match their weight ratios to the required amount of metals in each composition.
Good morning, I'm Natasha Prashikshan. I'm intern in CSIR-IMMT. I'm working in electrochemical sensors. I'm making a PowerPoint on it as I learned yesterday about the working principles of it, the examples of the electrochemical sensors and how it is important in daily life. Thank you, my mentor Yogesh sir, for guiding me throughout yesterday as well as today, and also the company for giving me such an opportunity.
Hello everyone, I am Adyasha Parajita. I have come to intern at CSIR-IMMT. I am working here in the mineral processing department. So the project that I have been assigned is about making pellets. The scientist in charge of me is Dr. Sachi sir, and till now I have come here for 2 days, and the project I'll do is about making pellets. So first we'll collect the samples, then do a iron content analysis of it, make green pellets out of them, and put them in a furnace, and finally check the physical properties of their porosity and CCS. So that's it.
Hello, I'm Amvi Adyutta and I've been placed at CSIR-IMMT for my internship. I'm working with Dr. Manish Kumar and we're learning about biochar production. On the first day, we learned more about how biochar is produced and we learned about a process called pyrolysis. And after that, sir has assigned us work on identifying different kinds of biomass, which is basically different types of plants and everything that we need to learn about how biomass it impacts the kind of biochar that is produced. And overall, I'd like to say that his way of teaching is quite different because he's more of a hands-on teacher. He's trying to explain us by showing it to us, and it's absolutely amazing. I have been learning so much in the past 3 days, and honestly, I'd love to come here again. Thank you.
Actually, Dr. Esuzao is the guide of Adasya, and I am just helping her in her project work. Whatever she is doing in this 15 days period, we are almost mainly focused on pelletization, and we draw a map in which way she is achieving her, and in which way her 15 days is fruitful for her. And also we told her that says do some study about mineral processing and what is mineral and ore, all these things. That's why she gained some knowledge before going to pelletization. And mainly we focus on pelletization, which is a raw material for blast furnace. From blast furnace we are making steel, which is a raw material for steel making process. So we need to do need to do the beneficiation of iron ore, so that she is doing the beneficiated iron ore to go through pelletization, and after pelletization it is going to the blast furnace route to get the steel from industries, and she is working on it. Hopefully her 15 days be fruitful for her.
Last time also she gained very good knowledge
Last time also she is doing about reduction roasting
of say, low grade resources.
low grade resources.
And the USP of our project is she is working on waste to wealth. Because whatever ore we are giving for this pelletization, for this agglomeration, what you are just saying, the basic knowledge, because this 15 days is not enough for this people, like students from 10th, because when we are in 10th, we don't know about this mineral processing ore. Now they are fortunate enough that they are exposing this type of research institute. You imagine in our BTech, in fact from BTech, I'm a chemical engineer basically. So in my BTech, I am also dreaming that why I am not do internship at IMMT. But at that time there is no scope for me because there are no known person in IMMT. So I went for this other industries. But now you are in internship, you are coming for 15 days. Okay.
In her
School days also 10th standard. So you are very much lucky enough that is my background. In your background maybe the teachers. You just remember, teachers are always your backbone. Whatever is saying now, teachers are backbone. It is really true, because what they are taught in their education curriculum, maybe in your 10th standard, maybe in your 9th, 8th, any standard, this is going to be disciplined you in your BTech. Because once you diverted from this basic knowledge from the 10th, you cannot cope up with this higher studies, like in graduation, maybe in your MTech, when you go to the PhD, because there is a loyalty towards your organization, towards your educational institute, towards your teachers is required. Unless until you have that type of loyalty, you cannot achieve your dream goal. It is for sure. एमती ना खाली नॉलेज तुम पाखरे अच्छी तुम्हें अचीव कर, इट्स नॉट ट्रू. तुमको गोटे माध्यम देयर इज दैट नीड्स टू बी मीडियम. जने कहले केमती हमको जल्दी मन रहे,